choo chugga, choo chugga, choo 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 choo, choo chugga, choo chugga, choo 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 choo.
Okay, what are you doing, True?
We're gonna smash these biscuits. We're gonna make bird food out of it. Mom wants to.
Okay.
Too much air in here. Oh, look, Mom.
What, you punched a hole?
I punched a really big hole.
I didn't ask for that.
Because I'm so strong.
No.
See, that's why I said, Mom, these biscuits are not crunchy enough. They're too, you need to let them get harder.
This is why you said what? No, you didn't say anything. This is why you need to slow it down.
Mommy, you even poured syrup in here. Why'd you do that?
Because birds deserve a little sweet.
Why you say, who says they have a sweet tooth?
I know, and it keeps
They'll eat anything.
It's going to help stick to whatever you put it to. You may go get some apples and roll that around on some apples for them.
They'll eat anything and poop everywhere.
But wait a minute, True. Do you think the sweetness will make them poop more?
No, it's not going. They're going to poop no matter what.
Okay, well, okay.
Mom, I'm going to need a new bag because I don't want to mess around with this hole and then make a mess.
Well, you can also tape the hole. Go get some clear, because remember, this is
Oh yeah.
food. So tape the hole. You can go downstairs and get some
Tape
clear
the hole.
Tape the hole, and to promise not to whack it. There's a difference between whacking and smashing.
I had to.
I should have known that you.
You have pancakes in here.
Mm-hmm. There was a pan. Oh yeah, True. Yeah. You know what?
I'm pretty sure they would like seeds more than this, Mom.
I should have known that we were going to have a holy situation when you asked for a hammer.
Okay. So yes.
You revealed your plan.
Well, I wanted to smash it.
You want? Okay. So you wanted to. Oh, there you go. There you go. Just keep on
But
smashing.
this hole, I don't want this hole. This hole is getting in my way.
Okay, so for the record, we're feeding the little birdies biscuits and pancakes, right?
This is a bad idea.
Oh, I smell some syrup over here.
Yeah, the Mom pours this leftover syrup in here. She just mixing
Oh,
everything.
wow.
Mom, you don't even know if too much sugar is going to give them a sugar rush and they're going to end up running through a window. They are going to. They're going to just die. You could kill them, Mom.
Oh, colloquial speech is sometimes so much more convenient. Huh, True?
Mm.
Huh, True?
Yeah. Look at this. Mom, I'm not sure if there's syrup or butter at the bottom. There's the pancakes.
It's probably the syrup since it's so sticky. So wait a minute. So are we going to put this in the blender with, what did we say we're
Blender?
mixing it with? Because I thought
We're not
Mom
gonna
said
put
we're going to
this in the
like, yeah, for the birds. Like I thought we were going to
Sassy,
like
that
blend
might-
it
I
up,
don't
put
think-
some peanut butter in it, you know? Don't you think the birds might like that?
No, we should have waited longer because then it would have been harder and then I could have really had to crush it. Now I'm just squishing, Mom.
Okay, well, let me see what you're working. What are you working on?
I can only imagine what you're going to say.
What?
Okay, so I mean, I think the birds are definitely going to love the amount of time that you are devoting to them, True.
Yes, and I got to put more time into it by cleaning their poop off the car.
Oh, poop's filled with happiness. Isn't it great? Isn't it great, True?
No. No.
Or should I say happiness, but poop's filled with appreciation. Oh, thank you for feeding me, True.
Mom, where's Dad? Mom, how far is it?
Hands on his arm.
Okay. So is this enough for the bird? You think?
This is too much for the bird.
I know, but it's like, is this enough mashing, or do you think we need a little bit more before? Are you gonna? Well, here's the thing. Are you gonna throw it out now, or are you gonna wait a little later, or what?
I think
What's on your
we're gonna
mind?
put it inside a container. We're gonna put it inside a container.
Okay.
And Mom, the only reason my Mom did this because she wants to attract them so that she could do her bird watching.
Oh yeah, true. That's right.
I'm not even sure they're gonna be interested.
But True, that's what I was saying. Because True, wait a minute. If we go get some pine cones, and if we take some of this, make it into a paste, maybe put some peanut butter, and that way we can like hang up. I don't know. Put that little paste on some pine cones. Don't you think the birds will like that?
Mom, you're gonna add peanut butter. You're making the assumption that this is a dog. Dogs like peanut butter. I'm not sure about birds.
They will love it.
They love it.
It's sticky to whatever you put it.
Is that a fact?
Yes, it's a fact.
See, once
What's your
see.
source?
Experience.
You have no experience with bird.
True.
I wish I had a hammer, but it's gonna have to work.
Oh,
Mom,
True. I
Mom,
love it.
I need some
Divergent
tape.
thinking at best.
I'm gonna make another hole in it. I gotta be careful.
True. I don't know about you, but I think you're gonna have to save some for me. I want to put some with the peanut butter, with the pine cones. True. I really think
Pine
they're gonna.
cones?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So when they come to the window, we can watch them. True. The birds love
Where are we
that.
gonna get the pine cones?
Can't we buy them, Mom?
Spend money for the birds?
Yeah.
Also have
Our little birdie
We
friends.
go down and buy the playground, we can pick up pine cones.
Yeah. Okay. We can go buy them. We can
There's
go pick
not
them
pine
up.
cones near the playground. There's pine cones somewhat near the entrance of the community.
Well, there we go. We just go pick them up, get our peanut butter, mix the peanut butter up in with that, put our nice compassionate paste on the pine cones, and voila, the birds are in love.
Where are we gonna hang them?
We can hang them underneath the deck. We can hang them underneath the tree.
Maybe the community has a no feeding sign. Don't feed the animals.
Haven't seen that.
You think that's enough?
I think that's perfect, True.
Wait, if we're putting this in the blender, then what's the point of me doing all this work?
Because you're so compassionate. That's why. You're very compassionate, and the birds are going to be able to taste the love, True. They're going to be able to taste the love.
They're gonna taste something more than love.
What?
Oh wait, I put another hole into it.
You need to get the tape.
Mom, I should just use another bag. You know what? For the birds now. Mom, you want this? You sure you want this inside the blender?
No, I don't like this. No,
Then how are we gonna put the peanut butter with it?
I'm gonna put it in there with a spoon.
Oh, so now we're gonna need a bowl?
Nope, you're gonna do everything in the bag.
What bag? This bag has too many holes in it.
Not once you tape it.
Well, here's the thing. First, we have to decide, are we actually going through with our plan to put our paste on the pine cones? Because quite naturally, if we are, then yes, it would be much easier to just make the paste in a bowl or a blender so that we don't have holes, because we have holes in this bag. So which one are we? Is it yay or nay for our pine cones?
Well, yeah, but we can use that bag later when we put the pine cones inside and just shake it up and it'll attach. If you put the peanut butter
We'll
on it.
stick to it. Oh, I know what we should do, Mom. I have a brilliant idea. It just came to me. You see, we put this inside a bowl, mix it up, then we get the pine cones, put butter on the pine cones, then we sprinkle this over top.
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah, but just go get your series, your thick tape and tape those holes. So we have.
I gotta do it inside a bowl.
No, you don't.
Mom, it's not gonna stick.
Let me see that bowl. Let me see that. No, just do what no.
Why are you so attached?
I want it in that plastic bag. It's gonna make life so much easier. Just trust me.
Okay, putting the tape on this is probably not gonna prevent it from popping again.
Yes, it will, because you're not gonna smash it anymore. You're done.
Who says I'm done with my smashing?
I said you're done. Because you're going overboard.
Daphne, do some more smashing.
Me? Okay, I guess I'll get my work in too. Add my little love in there for our little birdies. Well, true. Outside of the fact that we might be cleaning up more bird poop because when we feed them, they'll come more.
Maybe we should feed them far away.
The good thing is that they'll be able to be your nice wake-up call in the morning.
I got my hammer. I'm back at it, round 2.
Oh, true. The hammer. Do we really
Now
need...
you're gonna crack the granite.
I wish we had Dad's hammer. Tenderizer.
Okay.
Why don't touch my
We
hammer.
don't... No. We're not using that hammer. We're not using that hammer, True.
Suck the joy out of everything.
We're not using that hammer.
Is that bad?
Or is that
Sounds
thunder?
like thunder. You crack thunder. When is that long enough? Nope.
But yeah, Mom, that sounds just... that like that thunder sound kind of sounds really similar to when John takes in the trash cans. Is that why you thought
Well, I
that?
took out the trash.
Uh-huh.
There we go.
Or when he brings them in. Cool beans. Okay.
Sealed. One sec. Let me lay it flat. There's another hole somewhere.
Okay, so this is good. This is...
See, I knew it. There's holes right
This
here.
lets me know that we do not need the hammer anymore. Because the hammer is going to do nothing but put more punctures in the
Not if I
back.
take all the air out of it. If I take out all the air, it should not do that. Any more holes anywhere?
Not that I can tell.
I felt something. Open. Let me take out. Oh. Mom, when we go to George Washington's house, when do we go there?
October 1st.
October 1st. Is that all the air out of it? No, I still think there's a hole somewhere. Okay, I can't do any more smashing.
Yes, and you definitely... No.
Give me that
In
hammer.
the five logical reasons why. Rhetorical analysis. No.
Just one big smash.
5 logical reasons why why you need that hammer. You're going to make more holes.
And then I'll
True.
just patch them up.
If you just want to use the hammer, then okay. But the hammer is going to make more holes and puncture the bag. And if we puncture the granite, then we don't need those negative implications. But this is looking nice. See, this is perfect.
I'd much rather the hammer.
And state your position, please. Why?
I would much rather. the
Five
just left
logical reasons rather than just emotion.
it. Oh, I know.
I'm sure it's smushed now. It has to.
Oh, I know it's smushed.
Okay, so this is nice.
Mommy.
Looks great.
I'm not sure. Maybe we should put some worms in here.
By all means, that definitely could be your job.
Oh, I'm not going to touch a slimy worm. Reminds me of a snake, and I.
Oh yeah. Oh, if it's your idea, oh brother, you trust me. If we go through with that idea, then I don't mind the idea, but you definitely will be
See?
putting them in.
This is why I don't think it's pressed enough. These holes are way too big. I mean holes. I mean the bowls are too.
Oh, the
big.
crumbs. Oh, these.
Crumbs,
Oh, these
yeah,
big
that's
ones
the word.
here.
I forgot.
That's okay.
It's off my trainer. What is that? It feels really hard. It feels like a rock. Or whatever. I can chew on that.
It does feel nice, True, to just squeeze on that like that.
Okay, I'm done. I had enough.
Okay, there we go.
Take away and the hammer. Want to take a shower?
All right. So True, when are we doing the next steps?
Mom, when we eat the pine cones.
Okay, so we'll plan for the pine cones, and that'll be that. Okay.
Mom,
Yes, Jeff.
what do I do with this?
What? Leave it right there.
Leave it right here?
Yep, put it in the fridge.
In the fridge.
and put your hammer and your tape away. Yep, put it in the fridge. Everything is orderly. You'll complete part 2 tomorrow.
All right, there we
I
go.
know why she wanted to put it in the bowl.
Mashing up and mashing up and mashing
You'll
up.
touch it once you get the pine cones.
Oh, yes. Give us something to look forward to for tomorrow. That's perfect, True.
Peace out.
Good job.
I'm there. Choo chugga, choo chugga, choo 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 choo, choo chugga, choo chugga, choo 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 choo.